Hello students, good morning. In previous video I have explained the definition of rational number and the types of rational number, properties of rational number, and some question also have been solved in question of exercise 3.1. Now in exercise 3.1, question number from 1 to 10 has been solved. Today we will solve some remaining question of exercise 3.1. So let's start. First question is, 11th question is, write two rational numbers for the following pattern. Students, in these type of question you have to follow the pattern which is given in the beginning of the question, and before write the solution of this question, we have to observe what type of pattern has been given. Okay, so first we have to observe in this question. Here it is the rational number because you have studied that what is rational number. A rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0. It means denominator should not be 0 for making of any rational number. Okay. So -4 is a negative integer, 9 is a positive integer. So we can say that this is the rational number. So all these I have given are rational number, and you have to observe that if we in -4, if we add -2, then we will get -6. Okay, so here you have seen that -6 is written, and in the same way if we add in -6 -2, then we will get -8. So we have to write in the same way for in this space. If we add -8 plus if we add -8 in -8 we add -2, then we will get -10. So we can write here -10, and here 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So we can write here that 13 plus 2 is 15. In the same way we can write here -12 upon 17. Okay, so student, this type of pattern is given in this question number 11, first part. So in the same way we can write the same apply the same pattern. Here we can say that 2 upon 15, 2 is the positive integer, 15 is the positive integer. So we can say that this is also the rational number. And here if we add 2 in 2, if we add 2, then we will get 4. In the same way if we add 4 in 2, then we will get the result 6. So if we add in 6 that 2, then we will get 8, and 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 19, then we will get 19 plus 2 is 21. And if we add 2 in 8, then we will get 10, and if we add 2 in 21, then we will get 23. Okay, so this is the pattern you have to follow for solving this question A and B. So before moving on to next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy and take a screenshot. Now students, in question number 12 you have to arrange the following rational number in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the following rational number in smaller to larger. Okay, so first of all you have to check that the given rational numbers are live rational number or not. So both all the denominators are not equal in each of rational numbers. So we can say that these are the unlike rational number. So in these type of question, first of all you have to convert all the rational number into like rational number. Then after you have to arrange the in ascending or descending order. So first of all you have to convert all the rational number in like fraction, and the step you have to follow for making any unlike rational number into like rational number is, you have to in step 1 you have to take the LCM of the all the denominators. Okay, so first we take the LCM, taking LCM of 8, 11, 9 and 7. Here student, this step is not your rough part. This step is not your rough part. You have to mention this step in your solution also. Okay, so don't write in this step in rough. You have to mention all the steps in your solution. Okay, 8, 11, 9 and 7. So first of all, in these numbers you have to check that this number is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 4 is 8. Also this number is also divisible by 2, that 2 2 is 4. Also this number is divisible by 2, 2 1 is 2. Now this number is also divisible by 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. Now both 11 and 7 are the prime numbers, so we can say that these numbers are only divisible by 11 and 7. Hence we can write LCM of 8, 11, 9 and 7 is equal to, we can write 2 into, here we can write 2 in 3 times, and 3 is 2 times, and 11 and 7 also. Then we will get 2 2 is 4, 4 2 2 is 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 and 3 3 is 9, 8 9 is 72, and also 11 7. If we multiply 11 and 7, then we will get 77. Now we have to again multiply 7 2 is 14, 1 carry, 7 7 7 7 7 49 and 1 50. 7 2 is 14, 1 carry, 7 7 is 49 and 1 50. 4 4 5 and 5. So we can write here 5544. Now in second step you have to convert all the rational number of the denominator 5544. So here we can write minus 5.8 is equal to, if we multiply minus 5 upon 8 by 8, first of all we have to divide 5544 by 8. 8 7 is no, 8 6 is 48. Then we will get 7, 8 7s, 8 9s 72, and 8 3s 4. Now if we multiply 8 by 693, then we will get the denominator is 15, 1 carry, 5 9s 45 and 1 60, 6 carry, 5 6 are 30 and 6 is 36. And here we can write 5564. So in the same way, here we can write minus 3 upon 11 is equal to minus 3 upon 11. First of all, you have to divide 5554 by 11. 11 5s are 55 and 11 4s are 504. Now 3 4s 12 and 3 5s 15 upon 5554. 4 upon 9, here we can write 4 upon 9 multiply by, first of all you have to divide 9, first of all you have to divide 5544 by 9, 9 6 is 9 6 54, 9 1s 9 6 616. Now 4 6, here we can write 5554. 4 6 24 to carry 4 1s 4 and 2 6 4 6 24. And in last minus 6 upon 7, we can write here minus 6 into 7. First of all you have to divide 5544 by 7, since 7 7s 49 and 7 9s 63 and 7 2s 792. So we can write 792 because 7 2s 14, 1 carry, 7 9s 63 and 1 64, 6 carry, 7 7s 49 and 6 55. And we can write here 6 2s 12, 1 carry, 6 9s 54 and 1 55, 5 carry, 7 6 7 6 7s 42 and 5 47. This 2s 12 and carry, 6 9s 54 and 1 55, 5 carry, 7 6 7s 42 and 5 is. So now here we can here we have to check that this number is greater than all these numbers, because this number is only the number which is positive rational number. So this number is larger than every rational number. So here if we I have told in previous video that if any integer which is if any integer is large, and if we write in any large integer in negative sign, then it will very small. Okay. Now for example देखिए बच्चों, अगर 6 जो है 7 से अगर बड़ा है, 7 जो है 6 से बड़ा है, ठीक है, तो अगर हम 7 के आगे माइनस साइन लगा देंगे और 6 के आगे माइनस साइन लगा देंगे तो ये नंबर उतना ही छोटा हो जाएगा. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. सो हियर we can write that this negative integer 4752 is smaller than compared to every rational number. So we can write here, since minus 4752 upon 5544 is smaller than this number, minus 3605 upon 5544, and it is smaller than minus 1512 upon 5544, and this number is also smaller than this number 2464 upon 5554. But students, these are not the actual rational number, because these are the equivalent rational number of this rational number. So we here again in last step you have to write the actual rational number for all these equivalent rational numbers. So here you can write minus 6 upon 7 is smaller than minus 5 upon 8 is smaller than minus 3 upon 11, and it is smaller than 4 upon 9. Okay, so this is the complete solution. So student, watch all the steps which I have applied the compare for every all the rational number in arranging of ascending order. Okay, so the remaining part of this question is you have to solve by yourself. So before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy. I take a screenshot. Students, here you have to correct some. You have to some correction here you have to correct. Here if you multiply 693 by 5, then we will get 3465, because 5 3 is 15, 1 carry, 5 6 is 30, 5 9 okay, sorry, 5 9 is 45, and 1 46, then 4 is 4 carry, and 5 6 30, and if you add 30 in 4 30 and 34, then we will get 34. Okay, so there are little bit correction you have to and also here you have to correct 3 4 6 5. Now all the steps are true. Okay, so if you are moving our next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take screenshot. Now students, we are moving our next question, very interesting question. In this question you have to compare that which rational number is greater than each other. So students, there are in this type of question we have to apply the shortcut method. From shortcut method we can say in quick time that which rational number is greater, and the name of this method is cross multiplication method. So we can apply here. If you multiply this numerator from this denominator, and or we can say that you have to apply the in this question in cross multiplication here like this, then we will get minus 8 into 11 means minus 88, and 13 into 6 it will we will get 13 6 78. So here this number is negative and this number is positive, so we can say in easily that this rational number is smaller than this rational number, or we can say that this rational number is greater than this rational number. So here minus 88 is less than 78, or you have to write 78 is greater than minus 88. So we can say that 6 upon 11 is greater than minus 8 upon 13. In the same way we can apply this cross multiplication method. minus 9 upon 22 and minus 16 upon 5. Then minus 9 into 5 is equal to 45 and 16 minus 16 into 22, you will get 16 2s 32, the carry 16 2s 32 and 3 35. So here minus 45 is greater than minus 352. So we can say that this rational number is greater than this rational number. Minus 9 upon 22 is greater than minus 16 upon 5. Okay. So this is the answer. And students, question number C, you have to solve by yourself or apply this cross multiplication method, because this method is very less time consuming method. Okay, so if you want to compare both rational number, then we have to apply this method. Okay, so this method is called cross multiplication method. Now we are moving on next question. You have to list. Last question is list 4 rational number lying between. List 4 rational number numbers lying between a minus 2 and 0. So students, before solving this question, I have to say something about the concept that how many numbers lying between two rational number. So the answer of this question is infinite rational number, because there are infinite rational number lying between any two rational numbers. So from all these infinite rational numbers, you have to write only 4 rational number between these two numbers. Okay, so there are lots of methods have been given, so we can apply. If you want to write only 4 rational number between these two rational number, so this method you have to we are introducing the method. The name of the method is mean method, or you have to say you can say that this method is also named, the name of the method is average method. Okay, so first rational number we have to minus 2 plus 0 upon 2, then we will get minus 2 upon 2, 2 to cancel, then we will get minus 1. So this is the first rational number. Now second rational number, if you want to write second rational number, then you have to add this rational number and this rational number and divide by 2, because you have studied in previous classes that how can we get the average of the any numbers. So we can apply minus 2 plus minus 1, it means minus 2 minus 1 upon 2, then we will get minus 3 upon 2. So this is the second rational number. In the same way we can apply minus 1, as we add 0 and minus 1, then we will get minus 1 upon 2, because you are all know about that if you add 0 in any number, any negative integer, any positive integer, then we will get the same result. Okay, so we will get minus 1. So this is the third rational number. And if you so minus 1, here minus 1 has been finished now. So you have to take this rational number and this rational number, -2 plus -3 upon 2. Now you have to write, if you have to add -2 and -3 upon 2. How can we add? This is very easy, because 2 2s are 4 and plus minus upon 2 upon 2. Now we can write -3 -4 and -3, then we will get -7 and 2 2s 4. So this is the another rational number. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो मेथड मैंने यूज किया है इसको कहते हैं मीन मेथड या एवरेज मेथड। इस मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं कि जैसे आपको दो रेशनल नंबर के बीच में 4 रेशनल नंबर या 5 रेशनल नंबर या 6 रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं, तो इसके लिए एक मेथड बनाया गया है जिसका नाम है मीन मेथड। ठीक है, मीन मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं कि दो रेशनल नंबर को हम ऐड करते हैं और जितने रेशनल नंबर होते हैं उनको उससे डिवाइड कर देते हैं। क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 रेशनल नंबर है तो 2 से डिवाइड किया तो हमें ये रेशनल नंबर मिल गया। अब यही एक रेशनल नंबर से हम इसको फिर से प्लस करेंगे, -2 प्लस -1, तो ये आपका रिजल्ट मिल गया। फिर इसको हम फिर दूसरे वाले रेशनल नंबर से प्लस करेंगे तो हमें ये रेशनल नंबर मिल गया। फिर इसको हम इससे, अब ये देखिए ये -1 का जो ऑप्शन है वो फिनिश हो गया है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपने इसमें ऐड कर लिया, इसमें ऐड कर लिया। ठीक है, अब ये नंबर फिनिश हो गया तो हम इस नंबर को यूज करेंगे। -3/2 से -2 को हम प्लस किया तो हमें ये मिल गया। ठीक है, इससे आप इनफाइनाइट रेशनल नंबर फाइंड कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यू कैन से दैट देयर आर इनफाइनाइट रेशनल नंबर एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन any 2 rational numbers. So this method you have to use for finding any rational number between 2 rational number. So student, today you have to solve the remaining question of this exercise, and the homework of the question of today's homework is complete all the remaining question of exercise 3.1. okay, exercise 3.1. and students, in next video we will discuss some more concept of rational numbers. So thank you very much for being with us.